Welcome to today's class of mathematics for standard 7th of chapter 13, that is exponents and powers. Here, to begin with the class, let us first learn about exponent. Exponent is a number which represents the number of times a base is to be multiplied by itself. Exponent is also known as power. Well, using exponents, large numbers can be written into shorter formats. And to understand this, let us take the help of the example of 10,000. Well, 10,000 can be written as 10 raised to 4 in exponential form. Usually, 10 raised to 4 is read as 10 raised to the power of 4 or simply as 4th power of 10. Here, in 10 raised to 4, 10 is known as base, whereas 4 is the exponent. In other simple words, we can say that 10 raised to 4 means the base 10 needs to be multiplied 4 times in order to get the desired result. Next, we shall learn about a number with exponent 0 and 1. Well, if the number here is with the exponent 0, then result so obtained will always be 1. For example, a raised to 0 will be equals to 1 where a is a non-zero integer, while if the number here is with the exponent 1, then the result so obtained will always be the number itself. For example, a raised to 1 will always be equals to a, where a is a non-zero integer. Further, we shall learn about the laws of exponent. Well, given below are few of the laws and let us learn about them one by one. Here, let us first learn about a group for which exponents are different but bases are same. A raised to m into a raised to n will give us a raised to m plus n, where a is a non-zero integer and m and n are the whole numbers. Also, a raised to m divided by a raised to n will give us a raised to m minus n, where a is a non-zero integer and m and n are whole numbers. Next, we shall learn about a group for which exponents are same but has a different base. A raised to m into b raised to m will give us a into b whole raised to m, where a and b are non-zero integers whereas m is the whole number. Similarly, a raised to m divided by b raised to m will give us a upon b whole raised to m, where a and b are non-zero integers and m is the whole number. Now we shall learn about power of power. Well, if a is a rational number and m and n are whole numbers, then a raised to m the whole raised to n will give us a raised to m into n. Now, at last, we will learn about standard forms. Any number can be expressed as a decimal number between 1 and 10, including 1. And when this resultant number is multiplied by a power of 10, it gives a number in its standard form. Here, let us take an example of 5900. Well, 5900 can be written as 5.900 into 1000 and it will be equals to 5.900 into 10 raised to 3. Here 5.900 into 10 raised to 3 is called the standard form of 5900. Well, I hope you are clear with the concepts. Thank you.